Hello guys, welcome back to my channel on a brand new video. Well, today is just a quick review of this round circular LED cosmetic makeup ring light. So this cosmetic ring light comes with a gooseneck desk lamp, LED ring light, so it can be adjusted to different levels. The ring light itself is described as 8-inch diameter, but in fact it's 7.7 inch. It also comes with this nifty but very slightly cheap handy tripod. That will come in handy while doing makeup tutorials. Maybe you've got another tripod and you've got a smaller one to do different angles and different shots. In addition, it also comes with this handy little mirror. It has basically a zoom mirror and a normal mirror. It is powered by a DC volt adapter. So yeah, this is just a quick review. The make of this product is the Neewer company. So the reason why this is a quick review of this LED light today is because I'm not actually going to be the one doing the review for this cosmetic studio light. In fact, I'm going to leave it to Julia from the brand new makeup tutorial channel, Makeup in Time with Julia. Say hello.
Hello. So I got this ring light for my makeup to brighten all my makeup. So basically I've been using it since I got this from Gogetyours channel, and it's really doing the job for me. The lighting is overwhelming. Just having this light alone, I can do my makeup how I want it, and I really like it and I appreciate it. So thank you so much for your time and for the light.
And guys, she's not only beautiful, her makeup looks great. Go and check her channel out now for this full review. If you're after a studio light, especially cosmetic super bright light which can get all your lines. I don't know the words, I'm not a makeup guru, Julia is. So what I'll do is I'm gonna now leave the link in the video description down below of a couple of videos from Julie's channel, Makeup in Time. Go and check her out at www.makeupintime.com. Check her out on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook page.
Okay guys, follow me on my YouTube channel. It's Makeup in Time with Julia, and I shall see you on my next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Peace.